1/4 mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass. If you're back and you're ready for another DIY project. So in today's project, I'm going to be recreating these really cute baby bear rope baskets that I've seen at several online stores, and I'm going to be recreating it using some dollar store materials. So before I started adding rope around the plastic bin, I started with some plastic bins that I got from Christmas time, and I just spray painted them both black in the inside and the outside. And I'm just starting at the bottom of the container using some hot glue to wrap the rope completely around the bin. I'm just wrapping the rope all the way to the top, making sure that there isn't any black paint peeking through. And then when I made it to the top of the bin, I made sure to cover up the edge. So for the rest of the part of the basket, I'm using some remaining rope to create some ears for the bear. So I'm just swirling some rope around. And I ended up creating 2 ears for the bear that I'm gluing onto the basket. And then I used some felt to cut out some shapes to add for the bear's features. Thanks so much for watching. Like this video and subscribe with the bell notification to see what I'm crafting next.